Some of you were asking for a tutorial video, so here's a quick breakdown sa process. Nag-start muna ako sa Procreate para i-illustrate lahat ng scenes. Dito ko iniisip yung composition, poses, expressions, lighting, and overall vibe ng animation. Very important na hiwa-hiwala yung layers ng mga parts na gusto mong pagalawin later. Like yung hair, arms, eyes, clothes, and other details. Once natapos ko na lahat ng illustration, tsaka ko naman sila ini-import sa Procreate Dreams. What I do is drag and hold ko lang yung illustration scenes from Procreate papunta sa Procreate Dreams. Then, if-fit ko ng maayos yung illustrations. Para mag-appear yung individual layers, long press lang yung illustration track, then click Convert Layers to Tracks. Then, just do the same sa ibang illustration scenes. Important kasi na nakaseparate yung layers para ma-animate natin sila individually. Then, let's start animating. Usually, buhok muna yung inuuna ko. Long press the layer, tap, move, and choose Warp. Pwede mong i-adjust yung number of controls, pero personally, hindi ko na siya masyadong ginagalaw. Then, tap the record button. Kapag blinking siya, ibig sabihin nagre-record na siya ng movement. Then, galawin mo lang yung hair kung paano mo siyang gustong mag-move. Kapag okay na, tap the record button ulit para mag-stop. Then, play to check kung natural ba yung movement or kung may gusto ka pang baguhin. Next naman nating papagalawin is yung arms. This time, choose move and scale. Record button. Then, pinagalaw ko siya nang magmumukhang nagsistretch siya after waking up. And that's basically the process. Same steps lang for other illustrations hanggang mabuo yung full animation.